What's up, y'all? Back with you again today. Taking a look at this. This is really foreign to me, but one of a friend of ours brought it down here. It's got a wiring problem. We're gonna try to fix that. Probably gonna be another video. Right now, I'm gonna go down here and see if I can get this combine y'all saw in a previous video. See if I can get it cranked and moved around a little bit. I think that's gonna put a damper in the plans of moving it. All right, here goes. Had to kind of jerry-rig the battery cable on. Let's see. All right, let's give it a try. See how it's gonna work. Well, what if the battery's dead? Let's see here. It's a little less than 12. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. All right, time for plan B. Dad's gonna try to cross the studs over on the starting solenoid back here. We'll see if it'll start like that. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Got oil pressure. It's charging. I think there's something wrong with the solenoid down there on the switch, ignition switch. That's why it wouldn't start for me. It's crazy to think that engine's only about 9 cubic inches bigger than the one on our F2. It's a diesel. Sounds a whole lot bigger. Give it some RPM. Runs good. Alright, she's warmed up a little bit. We're gonna give it a full hit. Let's see how she revs. This thing sounds awesome. Woo! Great bikes, yeah. Well, this is gonna be a short video, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Got this thing running for you, that way we hear what it sounds like. Well, I hope you folks enjoyed that. I just come down here to just crank it up and let you listen to it. Like I said, we got that flat tire, so I can't exactly move it around right now. The air compressor's in the very back of the shop behind some stuff, but y'all will see more of this in the future. So I hadn't determined what we're gonna do, but hope y'all enjoyed that running video. Catch you folks later.